Read code number 674. Longest contiguous increasing subsequence. This is an easy question. Given a unsorted array of integers, find the length of longest contiguous increasing subsequence. This is a array, right? Let's check example 1. Okay, let's check subarray. Subarray is 135, and then subsequence is 135 and 7. Because subsequence no needed to contiguous. So now we need to find subarray. How we can do? Yes, that is very easy. Because we just scan the array and then the count. The condition is previous. If current is the small equal than previous, we will count. Otherwise, we reset counter, and then when will each time when we're counting, we also stored maximum length to the global variable. Does it make sense? Okay. First, we needed two variable. First is counter is 1. Okay, let's change the length. Length is 1. And then if nums is empty, which value we needed to return? That's right, we need to return 0. And then we make the max length also start with 1. And then iteration for I is range length nums minus 1. The reason why we traverse with index because we needed to compare current item with the next item. So if nums next item is small equal than current item, I will reset counter. Length is 1. Otherwise, I will increase length. And then after that, I will check with the max length. And if the length is bigger than max length, I will update max length. And then I will return max length. Let's check the code. Okay, looks good. Fix typo. Again. This time complexity is linear time because we use iteration, and then constant space because we do not use any extra data structure. Thank you.